Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this Polo G Midi X Drumkit. Guys, this is a crazy ass package. You know, I don't even know what to call it. Is it a Midi? Is it a Drumkit? You know, doesn't matter. But it's good, bro. You gotta get it. I promise you, bro. You won't regret it. So, before we actually go further, guys, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using the Contact Maybach Kings. Contact is out there, it's free, you can download it, you can go get it. And I'm not going to be using pianos, I'm going to be using bells, but you can use whatever you like, man, you know, it's up to you, whatever pleases your ear. For me here, it's the bells. So I'm going to start off with the first Midi, which is 130 BPM. I'm going to go ahead and play that for you. I already kind of loaded up a long time ago, so I'll go ahead and play that for you. Sorry, let me just play that on a higher octave, just to get a... Second Midi, same beat. Sorry, I actually realized I didn't change the BPM here. I'm sorry for that, but it's not so far, just 10 beats or whatever. So the other one is 130 BPM. Let me just take this down, 130. Play that. Play it on a high octave. Alright, the other one on 40 BPM. Change the BPM real quick. Just let me change it first. Alright. On a high octave. Let's go to the fourth, which is 87 BPM. Let me just change the BPM faster real quick. So put it. Alright, same BPM. Alright, you know, that's it. That's it for the MIDI. So, show you the drums real quick. So, I'm gonna start with the kicks. So, play the snares and the claps, you know. All right, play the percussion. Now the hi-hats. All right, then I'll play the 808s.
Radio.
All right. So yeah, man, that's it for the whole package. So enjoy this Drumkit X midikit, whichever, whatever you want to call it. But I promise you, bro, you won't regret it. Just get it. And I want to say thank you for everybody who who supported my channel, who actually subscribed, trying to get my stuff. Just want to say thank you. And if you guys have any suggestions, please just just put them down in the comments down below. So without no further ado, I'm gonna just let you go ahead and just make crazy ass stuff with this. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and do it. So